Hey, quick announcement because I'm having some students that are struggling when they're trying to access the Jasper Active lessons using the desktop application. So I want to make sure that everybody is accessing it through the web application. So what you need to do is go to kpbsd.org and then you go over here to Students and Parents, come over here to Office 365, you click on Office 365, it takes you here, and I'm just gonna work with a new document. In my new document, I click up here in the Jasper Active. If you don't have it, you do have to go through the insert, add-ins, and add it, but I already have mine here. And then I can go ahead and log in and go straight here and lessons, and these lessons should be showing up correctly. So please access it through the web application of Word and Office 365 and not through the desktop app. Let me know if you have any questions with that.